Hello and welcome to another of the geekadvisor.co.nr geek tutorials. Last week's geek tutorial was how to make a simple shutdown virus. Now I've had a few comments saying this isn't a virus, it's just a CMD command line. And yes, I do agree with you, it is a very simple batch command. But I also did say in the video that it was not intended as a major virus. I also said I will be showing you how to create more deadly viruses as we go through, in batch anyway. I won't be showing you how to use other programs, etc. Or these programs that claim to make viruses, because they often are a virus, to be honest. Maybe in the future I'll show you more advanced, but for now I'm going to show you simple ones and gradually build them up. So this week's edition is how to make a talking virus. Now literally what I mean by that is you can program the computer to say whatever you want when your shortcut is clicked or your program is started. So basically the codes will all be on the website. So for the actual speaking part you're going to need to save it as VBS. So this is the script. As you see, it's string text, and in here you enter your text. So what I'll type is you have been hacked, please watch the next video. Okay, so that'll then say that. So it's very simple. And then what you do is you go save as. Now I've already saved it as speak, but I'll just change it. I'll save it to speak. Change it to speak geek. VBS, and then you need to make sure you change the type to all files and just save it on the desktop. Okay, so that's now saved. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to want to do is just go to a new one. That's fine, and you're going to want to type the batch command. So what you do is you go @echo off. This is so that if the PC is delayed, it won't show them what you're doing. And just in case you wanted to show them, you can go echo computer fixing errors. Now echo will just display a message here, so it will just display this. Okay, and then the next line you can then go start like that, and you'll type in the name. So it's speakgeek.vbs. Speakgeek.vbs. Then the next one, you'll go start, and then this is where we need to do what we did last week, which was create a shortcut. So just right click on the screen and click new shortcut, and then as we did before, just type shutdown -s-t, type in your time. Because I need to abort the shutdown, I'll say 50 seconds, and -c, you have been, in fact no, I'm not going to add a comment in because we have a voice. I don't want to add too many things in. Okay, so we just save that. We'll just call it shutdown. I know obviously you should change the image and that, but it's not really essential. So then you just go to properties, and the target is there, so you just copy that, and you go OK, and then you right click and you paste, and that will then open that shortcut. Yes, that's pretty much it. So then what you do is you save as virus.bat. Go all files. Save it to the desktop. hopefully this should work. Okay, so move this, and we'll just find virus. There's Speak Geek. So if you want to test it, you just click on Speak Geek.
You have been hacked. Please watch the next video.
There you go, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it just did repeat what I typed in. So now we come to the batch file. Now hopefully this should work.
You have been hacked. Please watch the next video.
Okay, and it did just say what it was supposed to say, and it's begun the shutdown procedure. So we just abort the shutdown, and it tells me your shutdown's been aborted. So that's okay. So that's basically how you do it. And then obviously what you can do is you can create a new folder and just call it Internet Explorer Update. And you can rename everything and give the shutdown shortcut a new image. And then you put that in there, and you'll say you can make certain files hidden as well. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So basically you've only got the one program, so they click on that thinking it's Internet Explorer, and there you go, that happens and shuts down the system. We will be moving on to more advanced things obviously within the next couple of videos. We'll be doing deleting, how to make the batch delete certain files which can be quite deadly, disable all the antivirus systems as well. So keep watching. And just a thing before we go, the geekadvisor.co.nr have recently launched their first store. It's completely online, and it's handled by another company from us. Well, it's not handled, but they are in charge of shipping. So basically, just go to the shop page and click that one, and we've got loads of different stuff. The only thing is though, we do not have electrical goods. Okay, so actual computer plug-in USB stuff, we don't have that yet, as the shop can't handle it yet. So we'll probably be opening another shop for just computer electrical parts. But this thing has iPhone and iPad covers. You know, it doesn't just have iPhone, it's got the Nexus as well. It's got iPads, it's got Kindles, sleeves, all sorts. And there's helplines, etc. that you can ring, and they'll always be answered, because obviously there's another company. There's pet items, there's kid clothes, there's kitchen stuff, men and women clothing, and hats as well. It depends what you want. Small items, so you know, key rings, that kind of thing. And we accept basically any of these for currencies. So yeah. Okay, we thank you for watching this geekadvisor.co.nr geek tutorial, and we look forward to serving you in the future. Thank you. This is love.